the SaaS animation style is taking over social media in 2026. If you want to start earning $2,000 per video, you need to learn this style. In this video, I'll break down exactly how we created this full viral SaaS style 5 text animations from scratch using After Effects. Alright, let's start with text style number 1. First, apply a typewriter effect to your text. Then open up text layer and go to animator, range selector, delete the start keyframe. Then go to advanced, change the based on characters to characters including space. And set the shape to ramp up. Here ease high and ease low. Set ease high 15, ease low 80, sorry. Now add a keyframe to offset and make -100. Move forward in the timeline and set the offset to 100. It looks good, but we are not done yet. Click the small icon right here, property, add blur, set blur to 10 and click again property, fill color, RGB and choose any color you like. I choose purple for this background and that's our first animation done. I think it looks pretty good. Alright, now we have style 2. Open up the text layer, click this small icon right here, add position, click position, set this position value 18. Now it looks like this. Then open the range selector, open the advanced and set based on characters to words. Ease high and ease low. Set ease high 20, ease low 100. Now click this little icon right here, property, opacity, set opacity value 0, click this icon again, property, blur, set blur value 10, click again, fill color, RGB, set the color right here like this. And now add a offset keyframe 0, move forward timeline 100. And that's our second animation. It looks great and very simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if there are any tutorials you would like to see next, leave a comment below. Now we have style 3. Alright, first open up the text layer and click this little icon. Add position, set this position value 80 but horizontal way. And open range selector, set offset value 0, add keyframe, move forward timeline, set 100 offset value, open up advanced menu, set based on words, set ease high 20, ease low 80 and click add property, blur, set 10 and add again property, fill color, add RGB, set your favorite color, I don't know, and add again property, opacity, set opacity value 0 and let's watch. And that's final scene. I think this looks very good. Alright, now we have style 4. First, open up your text layer, add scale modifier, then add opacity, add rotation, and last one, add tracking. Set rotation value like something 35. Oh, set opacity 0. No, wait. First, drag your tracking amount till all characters overlaying each other. Then set opacity value 0. Go to range selector, open up advanced menu, change based on characters to excluding space, add start keyframe 0, move forward to timeline, set start value 100, add motion blur right here, select all keyframes, right click and keyframe assistant, easy, shortcut F9, click right here, drag this one little bit, the result. Now we have our final animation. This is one that a lot of SaaS videos are using right now. Alright, this one is the final animation style. First, open up your text layer, click animate and add position. Set your position value -70 and click add property, fill color RGB, set your color, I like green, and click add again property, tracking, drag tracking amount down, something like -25, click add property and opacity, set your opacity value 0, open up range selector, go to advanced, change based on characters to words, set your ease high and ease low values, something like ease high 20, ease low 80, add keyframe right here, move forward timeline, set start value 100, keyframe and add motion blur right here. And this is the final result. This is definitely my favorite animation out of all them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.